Hey everybody, what is going on? Andrew here, touring Midwest. Trying to fight this gravel road right now, so bear with me. It is not good after the winter, just rutted and pulling me all over the place. If you've been following me, you've seen some install videos and things like that, so there will be lots of review videos coming up. Man, this road is a nightmare right now. I just feel like the bike's all over the place. So, and also I'm trying to get used to these new handlebars. So I'm just going to kind of go along and tell you like kind of what I've done, so you kind of have an idea of what videos will be coming up. And I'll put links to all the videos and to product links down in the description in case anything catches your fancy. So we just finally got spring here in Minnesota. You'll see some snow in the ditches and stuff like that, and the roads are just covered in gravel. So we really have to be quite careful, especially in curves and on corners. If you've been following me for a while, you probably noticed some things right off the bat that are different, but I want to get one thing out of the way so you can pay attention to the audio. Right now I am wearing the Senna Momentum Light full face helmet, so it's fully Bluetooth integrated. So everything's built right in. We're going to be testing that quite a bit here, and letting you know my thoughts. So this is the first real test with this helmet. This is the audio test, so it's recording through the Bluetooth into the GoPro backpack from Senna, the GP10. I've used the GP10 for several years now with just various Senna headsets. I've reviewed quite a few different headsets, so as you probably already know. So changes. First of all, we've got a new windshield. This is the Clockworks Pro Touring Flare windshield. This is a 12-inch. I also have a 15-inch that we're going to be doing a comparison video on. I went with the 15-inch originally, and I just decided that it was too tall for me. I went with the dark smoke, and I thought for riding at night, it's just going to be too dark and too tall. I couldn't see over it unless I made a real effort to sit up super straight, and I just felt that I was kind of actually looking through this curve part. We'll get into all this in the comparison video when I'm comparing the two. But anyway, so I ended up going with the 12-inch. Next thing you may notice is different is the handlebars. These are also from Clockworks. They are the 14-inch clip hangers, and I'm really enjoying them so far. They are pretty cool. They look way different, and they're really adjustable. Loosen up these bolts here, and you can adjust the handles in or out. And depending on how you assemble them, you can angle them down like I've got them right now, or you can have them straight. And you kind of have to decide that right off the bat, because it requires rewiring everything if you decide that you put them angled and you want them straight. But the nice thing is you can adjust in and out, and of course you can still adjust your controllers forward or backwards. So then along with the handlebars, I went with the Memphis Shades hand guards. And originally I wanted something different, and I thought they looked cool. But after giving it some thought, there's actually a lot of protection benefits from rocks and bugs hitting your hand. And also, they do block the wind quite a bit, I noticed today on the way to work. It was pretty chilly this morning, and they really worked well. So speaking of that, I'm also testing out a heated jacket liner from Volt Heat. And I used that this morning, and that was also really, really nice. I think I'm just going to leave this running because I'm doing an auto tune right now. We're going to go check the Touring Midwest mailbox here quick. So we'll be talking about that stuff. Some other things I've got coming up is new shoes, or new riding boots actually. I've been looking for riding boots for quite a while, but one thing I've noticed about riding boots is they're not real great for anything besides riding, and I wanted something a little more multi-functional. So I went with the riding boots from Bates Footwear, and I ended up getting a couple different pairs. So we'll probably talk about those in an upcoming video. And I got a new tent for motorcycle camping, so we'll be talking about that in an upcoming video. So we have a lot of things to review, a lot of things to talk about. I'm trying to think what else is new. I did do a full stage 1 upgrade on the bike with all aftermarket stuff. So, except for the headers. The headers are actually stock exhaust, but the cat is cut out of them. So no catalytic converter. And then right now I'm running Kiriak and Crusher slip-ons, and we went with the air cleaner from Zero 3D, their Cypher air cleaner, which is a really cool air cleaner. Very low profile. It's probably the best feature about it. It does not stick out at all, so it's not in the way. Very clean, very flush, and it increases airflow by, I believe, 40%. And then if you notice down here in the lower right hand corner, we have got the Dyno Tune Power Vision. That's the tuner I ended up going with, and I'm doing an auto tune right now to try and really work it out nicely. And ever since I installed the Dyno Tune and or changed the handlebars, the check engine light's been coming on. I'm hoping that works itself out. It's not on steady all the time now that I've been riding a little bit, so hopefully we'll be able to get that figured out. Everything seems to run fine and everything like that, so I'm not really sure what the issue is, but we will definitely figure that out. We have a new sound system, so this is another install video I did. We'll be doing kind of a review at some point about this too, but here, check this out. So this is copyright free music, so you won't recognize the tune, but, and I don't know how well it'll come through with this helmet, but the sound is amazing. So this is from Sounds Customs, Peter Jensen. He's all over social media, so you should be able to find him quite easily. Highly recommend this. So this is his amp and speakers. It's the Iron 65s, front and rear, and then their amp, which I don't remember the number on that amp right now, but 100.4 or something like that. But hey, this way I can get some background music going on, which is kind of cool. So man, I am just loving being behind bars again, finally. And with all the upgrades I've made to this bike over the winter, I'm telling you, it is feeling good. It's running good, it's sounding good, it's comfortable. I may actually bring these bars back just a little bit further. But I'm going to ride it like this for a while just to get used to it and see how it goes. I did pull them back just a little bit yesterday, and they're quite a bit better. So this is a brand new setup. I got a different mount for the GoPro. If you need a GoPro mount for your helmet, check this out. This is from a girl and her bike. I'll put a link to her little store, her online store, down in the description. This is a really cool mount, and it gets the GoPro right where you need it on the chin bar. So even if you have vents or anything in the chin bar, it's not going to be a big deal. It's going to mount right in front of those, and I'll more than likely probably do a video on that as well. You guys let me know in the description or in the comments down below, out of all the things I've mentioned, what are you kind of most interested in right off the bat? And also, back to the heated gear, I just uploaded a video today about that gear, so it's going to be the last video that I uploaded before this one. And the company's called Volt Heat, and I definitely think you should check out that video, check out their website, and in that video I have a discount code in the description. And it is a good discount code. So if you're in the market for some heated gear, a jacket liner, vest, gloves, etc., definitely check that out, because that discount code is going to give you a really good deal. I hope I got you caught up a little bit on what's coming up for Touring Midwest. We got some other things going on as well. We'll be bringing back the Backroads and Grubs series. We will try to do some question of the week videos. And we'll just continue doing what we're doing. Loving life. Riding motorcycle. And having a really good time. So with all that said, guys, I really appreciate you checking out this video. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest.